inside the media who say, wait a minute, like, this is real. Look, James O'Keefe has been around for a while. He's done this a bunch of times. This is something that the media needs to understand can happen to them, and they need to be able to deal with it like adults. And they don't seem to be able to do it.
No. So, Megyn Kelly is back, and Megyn Kelly is doing her own thing, and she just released something on IGTV, which is Instagram television, and she interviewed this person. And I want to play a couple of clips from it. Listen.
Did you leak the tape?
I did not.
Not to anyone?
No.
At any time?
No.
Did you make a clip of the moment?
I did, but I saved it. I saved it in the internal system.
So what was your job at ABC?
I was a crash producer.
Okay, so a producer.
Yeah.
And you were in the control room when Amy made those comments?
I wasn't in the control room, but I was watching the comments while I was at my desk, and I had seen what she was saying, and I went to my manager and I said, you know, do you see what she's saying? Does she know that she's on a hot mic? The assistant said to us that that Amy knew she was on a mic, and that she knew she was being broadcasted to all the affiliates.
Right, so this is a moment where she's off the air, she's doing taped promos, but she has a mic on and people can see and hear her.
Yeah.
So what made you what did you do? You clipped the moment? You sort of marked the moment in the system?
Yeah, I just clipped it off. I essentially marked it in the system. It never left the system. We do it all the time.
Did you tell the manager that you had clipped it?
I did not.
Did you think it was newsworthy, what she was saying?
Everyone in the office was freaked out by what she was saying, and everyone was watching it.
So the purpose for clipping it was what? To watch it back later?
Yeah, watch it back later. You know, I did it just for office gossip, you know.
Was there any intention to embarrass her?
No, not at all.
Or ABC?
No, I would never. You know, the 3 years I've spent at ABC, I've loved my time there. You know, I'm a good employee. I've worked 7 days a week. You know, I loved my job.
Was this the first time you had ever clipped a segment of an anchor off mic?
No, I mean, we do it all the time. You know, part of my job is I'm like a video editor. You know, I clip off moments all the time. I put together, you know, funny anchor reels of, you know, them off camera doing funny stuff to use later in the show.
Did you go back and watch it later?
I didn't. No, I didn't think about it after that day.
I believe her. I mean, she comes off as very believable. Now, if the case from ABC/CBS is she's lying, then they need to make that case, or say they're launching an investigation to figure out what exactly happened. But they're not even making that case. They're not saying anything. And of course, there's no one to hold them